I think I have done with the all basic settings. Now we will move further to create our website. In my case, I will use another theme. So to add a new theme, I will go to appearance. I will hover on this and choose the theme option. Okay. So I will click add new and I will search for Ocean WP. So yeah, you will get this type of thing. Just click on this install. This is the best free theme whatever I have seen till now. Okay, it has a many features for customization. You can change as many features you want. So it is the best theme in the category of free themes. Okay, in this series we will try to cover all the free things, so it will be easy to start from creating a website, and you can also then move to the premium themes or premium plugins also. Okay, so but in this series we will just create website using all the free resources. Okay, so we have installed this theme. Now I will click on the activate option. I will again refresh my website. Okay, now you can say my website's look is totally changed. This is my website address. This is my first page. Comment option, we will just change this. And the footer option, copyright by Ocean WP themes by Nick. So we will just change it. Okay, so everything is fine. Now, if I show you, this is showing something like that. What this recommends some plugins, Ocean Extra. What is the Ocean Extra? This is a plugin which will give you some additional features. So we will begin installing plugin. Just click on the install. It will install the plugin. Then we will activate. Ocean Extra has been successfully installed. So go back to dashboard. It's a setup wizard. Just skip setup. We will do it manually, and also remove this. I will clean my screen. So I think these are things enough. Okay, I have to also clean this. Okay, everything is just clean now, and dismiss this notification. So this is our website. It's actually what is look now. For customizing our website, what we have to do, we will use some plugins. Okay, so for installing plugins, I will click on plugins and click on add new. We are using some plugins on the, if I talk about our theme, that is Ocean WP, they have also created some plugins. So I will go to the Ocean WP. Okay, we installed this, and social sharing option, what it will do, it will just share your post. So if you want to share something, then it will show some social options like Facebook, WhatsApp, Twitter. So we'll use that. Okay, and for now it's enough. Okay, another one we are using that will be most important plugin, Elementor. Okay, what is the best plugin for building the WordPress website? I mean, it's a lots of feature, very amazing plugin. Just click on install. We will activate them later, all at once. Okay, yeah, installing premium add-ons. This will enable some premium features for your website if you want. So you can also install this. Not so necessary, but it will give you some additional feature. Okay, after that you can also install Kit. This is Elementor kit. If you not installed, it will okay. I will go with the Invato. What is for Invato? Invato provides free images, free templates that are already created for your website. So I will click on this, installing. So now I will go to the installed plugin. Okay, let me wait for that. Install this. Now installed. So I will go to the install plugin. Okay, I have installed this plugin. So I will now click all of them and just I will click to activate. Cool. So all plugins are activated. Now I will go to the pages option. That was our first page, which I have created early to show you something about how our pages look like. If I go to that page, this is looks something like that. But in actual website, what we need here a logo, or here some other options. Okay, so let's do it. I will create a new page. Yeah, I will name as home page. Now you can see here are many options. This is due to our theme, or you can say Ocean Extra plugin. So we will understand each of them one by one. Okay, now I am creating only home page. I've just created a page, titled it as home page. I will just publish it and open in a new page. Well, this is our new page named as home page. Okay, and this is that page which we have created earlier. So starting from the home page, now some customize how our page's content layout. Okay, I will use as a 100% full width. Let me just update it so you can see the changes. I have just changed the width to 100%. Now if I refresh it, so you will see that the width of our page is totally to the fit to the screen. Okay, we have not write any content, so maybe not properly reflect. Okay, yeah, fine. So now you see that there is nothing in right sidebar. There were some options that were removed. The page width is 100%. Okay, now sidebar default, is it okay? Padding is okay. No need short code, no need header. What is the header? You know, if you see my bragger is written on the header. After the header, you also see that is a top bar, you know, a bottom line. If you're able to see here, okay, don't worry, not visible properly. We will when write, it will be clear. In the top bar. Okay, if you want to display header, I will if you disable this top bar. Okay, so now I think you will see here is, you can see there is a little bit width. If I refresh this, the width is gone. So that was the top bar. Okay, so let me enable for now header. What is the header? Header is this area. If I disable this, so it will gone. Okay, now logo. Every website needs a logo. I mean, if you go to the Flipkart, Amazon, Facebook, anything, if you go to Flipkart, so what you will see, this is a web address. Okay, let me clear some things here like that. This is a Flipkart. You can say a logo. Here is a search option. This area, you know, this blue area is called as header. These options are called as menu options. And if I scroll at the bottom, this area is called as footer bar. Okay, and this particular area is bottom footer. Okay, its complete area is called as a footer. The blue area you are looking at here, this is footer. And if I go to the top, this area is called as a header. So go back to our website. Our website has this header and this footer. Now we need a logo. So we can also do these things from here, you know, customize option. If I go to customize, and here will be option as site identity. Okay, uh, yeah, this one. Here you can see the site identity option. It will use, not for here, it will just use like here, you can see that Flipkart has a logo for a site identity, so it is a little bit small. I think I have to choose another. So upload, go there, and I will choose this one. It will, I think, better look. Select, crop image, publish. It is now showing here, you can see that. And I will move to the header. What is that? Header. So I will go to the header. Here is that journal. Okay. Yeah. And this will be logo. So I will select a logo for my website. It will be like something. Skip cropping. Yeah. Okay. The width is low, so I can just increase and decrease as our need. I would like to say something this. Okay. Publish. Refresh your site. Now you can see that a logo is available here. Okay. But it's not our home page. If someone is open our website address, so it will be go to the first page, but I want to go to that person to my home page. So what I will do, I will go that our setting, journal setting, or you will go to the reading setting. Okay. Yeah, I will choose here from the home page, and I will just update this. So whenever someone go to my website, now that person will reach to the home page.